Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to delve into the world of affiliate marketing and explore how to find affiliate programs, especially if you are a beginner. So, let's get started. When you are just starting with affiliate marketing, one of the critical first steps is to discover the right affiliate programs and offers to promote. Fortunately, there are several platforms and networks that provide a plethora of affiliate opportunities. Let's take a closer look at some of these options. ClickBank. ClickBank is a popular affiliate marketplace that offers a wide range of digital products, making it an excellent choice for beginners. The platform has a user-friendly interface and provides detailed information about each product, making it easier for newcomers to select suitable offers. Amazon Associates. Amazon Affiliate Program is one of the largest and most well-known in the world. It's a great place to start, especially if you're interested in promoting physical products. The vast product catalog and established trust in the Amazon brand can be advantageous for beginners in affiliate marketing. Flex Offers. Flex Offers is an affiliate network that connects publishers with a variety of advertisers. It is known for its extensive affiliate program options, spanning various industries and niches. This diversity can be advantageous for beginners seeking a wide range of products and services to promote. Link Connector. Link Connector is another affiliate network that provides various affiliates programs and offers catering to different niches. It offers a robust tracking system and reliable payment options, making it suitable for beginners looking for a dependable affiliate network. Affiliate Future. Affiliate Future is a performance-based affiliate marketing network that partners with both advertisers and publishers. It provides opportunities for beginners to work with a variety of brands and products, with a focus on performance-based compensation, which can be motivating for newcomers. Now that we have introduced you to these platforms, let's explore some tools that can simplify your affiliate marketing journey. As a beginner, creating an organized online presence for your affiliate links can be challenging. However, tools like Linktree or Beacons AI can make the process much more accessible. Linktree allows you to create a single landing page with multiple links. This is a great way to share all your affiliate links in one place, making it convenient for your audience. It simplifies the process of promoting multiple products or services, especially for beginners who might not have a dedicated website. Beacons AI takes things a step further by helping you create customized landing pages for your affiliate marketing profile. It offers a more tailored approach, which can be particularly useful when you want to establish a unique brand identity. This level of customization can set you apart as a beginner in the competitive world of affiliate marketing. Let's dive into how you can set up Beacons AI for your affiliate marketing journey. Begin by visiting the Beacons AI website and clicking on the green sign up button. Create a custom link that represents your brand name or niche and will be used to showcase your affiliate marketing profile. Complete registration, provide your name, email address, and password to create your Beacons AI account. With Beacons AI, you can easily organize your affiliate links into different selections based on product categories. This makes it simple for your audience to explore and shop, improving their overall experience. Additionally, you can track essential metrics like click-through rates and other insights to measure your success. By using these platforms and tools, beginners in affiliate marketing can take significant steps toward finding the right programs and efficiently managing their affiliate links. Remember, success in affiliate marketing often comes with persistence and a commitment to providing value to your audience. So, keep exploring, learning, and refining your strategies as you embark on your affiliate marketing journey. That's it. Thanks for joining us today to learn about finding affiliate programs for beginners. But guess what? In our next video, we've got something exciting to share, a guide on how to start with the Amazon Influencer Program. To make sure you don't miss it, just hit the subscribe button below. Subscribing means you'll be the first to know when our Amazon Influencer Program video is live. It's a great opportunity to boost your affiliate marketing skills. I hope today's video was helpful, and we are here to support you on your affiliate marketing journey. Your success matters to us. Thank you for watching. and we hope to see you in our next video.